A light bulb's brightness is reduced when placed behind a screen. The amount of visible light is produced by a light bulb decreases by 25%. Oh, that looks important. By 25% decreases by 25% with each additional layer that is added to the screen. With no screen, the light bulb produces 750 lumens. The lumen is the unit of measuring the total quantity of visible light emitted by a source. It looks like we got to write an equation L after X number of screens are added. So L is going to be equal to the initial condition or intensity, 750. Decreases means that I'm going to say 1 minus, because it decreases, 25%, but 25% as a decimal is 0.25. So 1 minus 0.25 raised to the x. So then my final equation is going to be 750 times 0.75 raised to the x. And that is it.